Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your Geo 5G plan is active and your device supports the bands. Once done, restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh network attach. This clears temporary signaling issues. Make sure the SIM is seated in the primary slot and the device firmware is up to date, because outdated software often prevents optimal band selection and reduces throughput. Next, adjust device settings to prioritize performance. Set preferred network to 5G or 5G/auto, and disable battery saver because it can throttle radios. Once done, turn off VPNs and close background apps that hog bandwidth. These reduce latency and throughput. Make sure the APN is set to GeoNet with default parameters, because wrong APN prevents full carrier features. If your phone supports band locking, try locking to the primary local 5G band to improve stability and speed. To finish, move to a clearer location, near a window or outdoors, because obstructions dramatically cut 5G performance. Once there, run a speed test and record cell and band details using a network information app so you know what to report. If speeds remain poor, swap the SIM into another 5G-capable phone to isolate device issues. And if still slow, contact Geo with the recorded data. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.